Welcome to D-Mop Garage. We are on the 52 Krankenwagen, and hopefully this time we get up the driveway. Changed a few things around, and I think we were getting stuck in that little hole over there, and I had the steering full lock, and I've gone and double checked the gears. Everything's working, so we're all good with the gear shift. A few people said, oh, you look like you're in third, but I don't think I was just getting it enough revs, and I think just the angle was a bit weird anyway. But we're gonna do it again. We're gonna actually spin it around this time and actually point it from here. So yeah, let's have another crack at it. See through it now. Woohoo! She works! Yeah, no, I've got the handbrake on, we're all good. Alright, we'll go for a bit of a testy, let's see what happens. You. Test on the brakes. That'll be the lights on top. Lights on top working.
chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Well, there you have it, folks. That was a great little test drive around the area here. The gears, you know, the double clutching and getting all that to work properly, it takes a little bit of practice not to grind them, because there's no synchros in this box, so it'll take a little while to get used to it, but it actually drove really well. Like, third gear is really smooth. First and second, they whine like crazy, because obviously it's just straight cut gears. So look, no visibility, obviously no indicators apart from the semaphores, so it's a bit tricky. We almost got taken out by a truck on one of the intersections, which was really scary. We had to basically yell at him to stop, because he was coming around the corner and he cut the corner and he literally was this close to hitting us. So that was a bit of an eye-opener. Lucky Mick was in the passenger side and he was yelling at him to stop. He could just go, stop, stop, stop. We backed up real quickly because he was just going to take us out. Just crazy. Again, thanks for all the new subscribers that have chimed in on this build. It's been a year and a lot of fun times. A lot of trying to get parts for it has been pretty difficult here and there, but really it's come together pretty well. No oil leaks, which is fantastic. We got it all sorted. A lot of black smoke in that first little section, and the little bit of tuning on the carb, you got that sorted out. So she's pretty much done. Thanks again, and we will see you very soon for some new projects that are coming up on the Demont Garage. So yeah, we'll see you then. You.